It's kind of our like kind of soul song, I guess if you could call it that. We never know how to describe our music, but it's called "Think About Love."
Guess we got caught up with telling a lie. Now you're leaving me lonely. I could get in my car and up drunk at some bar, but that was the old me. Remember the night that we slept on the floor and you told me you loved me. Bet you don't ever think about that. It's kinda like a light went off and now you're dead set on giving me up. You're talking like we're so far gone and there ain't no use stitching it up. We could do the long haul, we could ride it out. I know the ride's rough, but try us. You're just thinking about tomorrow.
I'm on the road while you're waiting at home, but I swear I'll be right back. And you'll find some man with no rock and roll band, and maybe you'll like that. Remember the lake when it started to rain, babe, and I just heard you. But you don't even think about that. It's kinda like a light went off and now you're dead set on giving me up. We're talking like we're so far gone and there ain't no use stitching it up. We could do the long haul, we could ride it out. I know the ride's rough, but try us. You're just thinking about tomorrow. I'm just thinking about love. I'm just thinking about love. Dead set on giving me up. We're talking like we're so far gone and there ain't no use stitching it up. We could do the long haul, we could ride it out. I know the ride's rough, but try us. You're just thinking about, I'm just thinking about, I'm just thinking about love.
That's another one from the EP Songs to Break Up To. We're live with Wild Rivers right now on 98.1.